guys, this is Python tutorial for beginners. Myself Dr. Bora, and this is the lecture number 3 where we will try to write and execute your first Python program. Okay, for that, as we have already introduced you SPYDER in the last class, we have selected SPYDER because this is very user friendly. Okay, well, this is the SPYDER IDE and that we have launched for Anaconda. Okay, so you'll see this is the editor and this is the debugger and this is the console part of this IDE. We can directly put our instruction here, or now we are going to write a program. So for that we need to create a new file. So we have to move here, click it. Okay, this is the new file. Now select all and delete. We don't need to delete these comments. Okay, so we need to print hello world. Let's write print hello. Okay, now to execute this code we have different options. Suppose I just want to execute this line, as this is the only line here. Okay, you have seen this button. Okay, this is for run selection or current line, or you can press F9 directly to execute this line. Okay, now press it. You'll see the code appearing in the console. So hello world is printed. Okay, but suppose I want to save this file and then run the whole program. Okay, then for that go to this button, click, or you can directly click F5 for this. Yeah, we have clicked it, but it will first ask you to save this file with a name. Okay, so give a name, say first is already there, say hello world. Do remember that Python files end with the extension .py. You'll see several files here, as I have done a lot of programs here. So go here, this is the first option, Python files. Click here. Okay, so for that you don't need to type .py here. Okay, as I have selected Python files. Save it. Now this program is saved with hello world.py, and see this line appear, run file, and exactly the part where this file is stored. Okay, and directed, and this is the output, hello world. Got it? So it's very easy, isn't it? Now suppose if you want to put comment, then what is comment? Comment are those statements which are ignored by the compiler, or in this case our Python interpreter. Okay, for that you have to type hash and say this is our first Python program. Okay, so what happens? This will help the other users to understand about your program. Okay, exactly what is going on in this program. So again, run it. See, this instruction has been ignored by the interpreter. Okay, so this is our comment. For that we have a shortcut. You just need to press Ctrl plus 1. Okay, what I have said, Ctrl plus 1 is for comment. Okay, because many times we have to deal with the comment, so you may recall this Ctrl plus 1 to do that short quickly. Okay, so this is our first program where we have written this first line of statement to print hello world, and we have seen that our Python file is given the extension .py. Okay, and we have seen that there are two ways of running it, either single statement at a line or the whole program at a time. Okay, I hope you guys understood how to you write your first program and execute it. So, well, we'll meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.